Welcome to another simple and quick tutorial, where we'll go through the process of downloading a digital version of your design. It's a crucial step to take your creations beyond the digital canvas. So, without further ado, let's dive in. In Canva, head to the top corner of your screen. Click on Share. Now, select Download. As you can see under File Type, Canva provides you with multiple options to choose from. They also briefly explain what file type is best suited to each use. It's important to note that the file format you select will affect the quality of your downloaded design. For any print or professional work, we highly recommend downloading your file as a PNG due to their superior quality, which preserves sharpness, vibrant colors, and transparency for overlaying designs on various backgrounds. Once you've made your selection, hit download and your digital creation will be ready for you to share, print, or use as you please. This step opens up endless possibilities for your designs, and it's a skill every designer should master. Happy creating, and once again, thanks for joining us. Remember to stay tuned for more valuable tips and tutorials.